G'day Gladiators, I'm Kenny and we're here on site doing the standing seam Highland Tray Surfmist matte cladding on the house down at King Arthur Avenue. Terrace, something, it's in Tennyson anyway. When you're upgrading your house and doing a facelift on your house, you're gonna have some existing flashings which won't tie in and will look a bit untidy or look a bit old-fashioned. So when you go and upgrade your wall, for example, things like the barges and other flashings around it, it may be a good idea to update those as well.
We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Yeah. For some new heights, my baby there the whole time, and it feels right. You by my side, I'm out on body and Clyde. I need my partner in crime, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. Miles still ahead of me and I don't have a clue right now. But we can take this ride wherever. Got me this far. Now I don't wanna restart. If things get hard and time left scars, still there before you are. Still shouting through the whole dark, yeah.
Alright guys, so what we've got here is we've just installed this sheet. It cuts around, we cut around the bottom here, runs up the side here, and then we've got this nice little cut. Come up in real close. You can see that we've notched how that's notched out at the top there, and that gets cut around that top, and that sits nice and free. You can see that's very, very important when it comes to removing oil canning, that sits nice and freely. Now, how do we waterproof that, guys? What we're going to do is go in from behind here. Now, if you come around, it's a bit hard, Ed, I know it's right, but you can see that there's that extra lap in the head flashing. When you get in here with the silicone gun, and on that little gap right there, I'm going to load that with silicone right on that gap from behind, so it's undersealed, and then when we finish up we'll give it a nice little overseal as well, so that'll sit back. You can see that the silicone's come out through on that side just there, and that'll seal that really nicely. And before we put the flashing on, we'll also go through and put seal in there, but that there we know has already got a good bead of silicone in behind that, and we're all happy days. Along with all the other stuff that we're doing on this house, which is the cladding and some roof barges and things like that that accommodate the cladding, there's also some old cappings which look pretty untidy and ugly. And so what we need to do, so that the whole house looks like it's been freshened up, we want to replace these cappings with some new colour matched cappings with a bit more of a modern style.
Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. I'm still ahead of me and I don't have a clue right now.